Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim, and I welcome you all to another exciting episode of warli art drawing. Today I am going to draw two more different houses that are drawn in warli drawing. So let's get started. First of all, draw a rectangular shape. Then draw a semicircular shape above. Okay. Make a door and a staircase at the side. Okay. Okay, so this is our first house. Now let's draw another one. Again, draw a rectangular shape. Make a base. And finally make a roof in a triangular shape. Make a door. Okay, so friends, our Worli art houses drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.